I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I call her Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
Kabulastugan, hindi malilimutan ang asaran na merong pikunan, lalo na rin ang unang niligawan, unang kabiguan, at dyan nasiseryoso ang usapan, ang pagdadamayan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan.